All right, here we have an equation and we want to convert it into vertex form of a parabola, right? To do this, we need to have y equal to something, this parabola. So that's why we need to get rid of,
The two.
yeah, the 2 and the 4. So I'm going to multiply, to get rid of 2, I'm going to multiply by 2, this
On
left
both
side,
sides.
yes, and this side. So if you do that, you're going to get y plus 4 equal to 2 times x minus 7
7.
squared. And then now
Subtract 4.
this is a simple problem because you don't need to do
Much.
completing perfect square. Subtract 4 and subtract 4. So this is gone.
So it
So again,
equals.
y equal to 2 times x minus 7 squared minus. So this didn't need to completing perfect square. I have other videos that I posted. You can watch. I did the process of completing perfect square. This doesn't need it. It's already into that form, which is y equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. So if you compare them together, you see this is k and that's h. That's h. So h and k, which is the vertex of the parabola, is 7 and negative 4. So I'll go further. Actually, it's not required for this problem, but I'm going to go a bit further and graph this. So to graph this,
Can you graph your vertex first?
yes, that's what you need to find first. That's the whole purpose. So vertex was 7 and 8,
negative 4.
7 and negative 4. So x is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the vertex. And then we want to see what the x-intercept and y-intercept is.
Yeah.
Put x0, let's say x-intercept. So,
Would
oops.
you plug in the 0 to find
Yes.
the y's?
X-intercept and y-intercept. When you want to find y-intercept, put
Plug in
x0.
for x.
So if you plug 0 here, that's going to turn
It's going to
into,
be 0 minus 7.
yeah, exactly, which is negative 7 squared is what? Just 49.
49.
2 times 49 minus 4, that's 98. Minus 4, yeah, sometimes comes, it's now, we became friends. So 94. So y-intercept is 94, right? So somewhere over here, let's say 94. That's 94. It's not a scale. And we want to, what is x-intercept? So x-intercept, you put y equal to 0. And if you put y equal to 0, that's going to be 0 equal to 2 times x minus 7 squared minus 4. And then to solve this, you need to solve and see what.
Was that the x-intercept?
Yes.
You plug in 0 for the y?
Right. So that's x-intercept plug 0, y, so that's 0. So solve for that. I'm going to add 4 both sides, right?
So that's 4.
So it's going to go there. So I'm going to have 4 equal to 2 times x minus 7 squared. Then divide by 2 to get rid of this 2. So x minus 7 squared is going to be equal to 2.
Okay.
Right? And then solve for x, get square root of both sides. If you do that, you get two answers, positive and negative. So x minus 7 is equal to plus square root of 2, and x minus 7 is equal to negative square root of 2. If you add 7 both sides, x would be equal to 7 plus rad 2. And that's, in this case, going to be x equal to 7 minus rad 2. So rad 2 is 1.4, so this is going to be like 8.4. And if you subtract 1.4 here, it's going to be 5.6. So 8.4 and 5.6 are the x-intercept. So this was 7, a little bit like, yeah, that was 7, right? So 1.4 away, so let's say that, and 1.4 smaller, it's going to be 5.6 here. So if you connect them, let's do highlighting like that. And it's going to go up and intersect 97. It's not in scale, so 97 should be up high somewhere here. So that's the problem. All right, ugly problem.
So if we do the